This your boy Solid Roster, and you're watching Solid TV. Today I got the Crown Vic up for you guys. Got more updates coming soon on the paint. Got exhaust coming up soon. But this is her. But what I really want to focus in on this video is letting y'all see how it drives, how it takes off a little bit, you know, get into the whole reason of having the car. So this is just the interior of the car. As you see, I got a little dome light right here. Also got a horn on the front of the car, but I'll let y'all hear that when we get to our destination. So I'm gonna take you guys for a little joy ride, show y'all how she rides. What's up, YouTube? So as you see, we're driving in the car right now. It gives you like this effect like you're floating. Like it ain't just no normal driving where you can feel a little hold back, but it coasts, you know, and turns are easier. She quick to catch up too. Oh, on your tail lights, I don't know if the tail lights are illegal where you all are, but most people down here in Georgia tint their tail lights. Not saying it is legal, but I mean, if you can get pulled over for it if you can't see a red shine when you hit the brakes. So that's just something to look at. I know a lot of you see my car with the tint on the tail light, kind of blending in with the peach. Yeah, these cars be going.
She deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Track money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny.
That's all I got for y'all today, YouTube. I got more updates coming for you all soon. So next time y'all get with me, I got more things to show y'all. Solid Roster, Solid TV, out.